Microscope for kids. Looking for a great microscope for kids? One that will capture students' imagination and attention?
Imagine peering deep into the mysterious reptilian third eye of a living lizard, capturing and sharing see-it-to-believe-it time-lapse videos of bacterial growth, or using 200 times magnification to bring an invisible world of pond water inhabitants to life with HD crystal clarity. Imagination is the key to unlocking learner confidence, fascinating your students, and giving them their very best chance at future success. Take your teaching to new heights. Inject endless imagination into your K-12 STEM curriculum and encourage lively collaborative classroom discussions with the SmartMicroScope 5M. This powerful handheld digital device is superior to traditional tools, engages your entire classroom with an immersive visual learning experience, and lets you maximize class time by sharing microscopic images with everyone instead of individually. It's also competitively priced and packed with innovative features, including one-click image capture, record live and time-lapse videos, built-in measurement tool, compare images side by side, access to free digital workbooks, plug and play on any PC, Mac, or Chromebook computer, versatile microscope stand, campus-wide license, 5-year warranty, and free delivery. Click below to arm your classroom with the SmartMicroScope 5M. Unlock your students' imaginations and turn them into wide-eyed, lifelong lovers of learning.